Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your PC feels slow, even though you're not running many programs, there's a chance your RAM is being held up by cached memory. In this video, I'm going to show you a safe and easy way to clear that cached RAM using an official Microsoft tool. This method works on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. And don't worry, this won't harm your system or delete any files. It's a quick process that anyone can follow. If you find this helpful, then make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps a lot. Now, let's get started without wasting time. First, let's check how much memory is currently cached on your system. Right-click on the Start button and open Task Manager. Once it opens, go to the Performance tab and click on Memory from the left side. Here, you'll see a detailed breakdown of your RAM usage. On the right side, look at the Memory Composition section. You'll see values like in use, available, and cached. The cached memory is basically RAM that Windows keeps reserved to speed things up. Normally, that's fine, but sometimes it holds several gigabytes and your available memory becomes low, which can make your system feel sluggish. If you notice a large cached value, that's what we're going to clear. Now, open your browser and search for RAM Map by Microsoft. As this is an official Microsoft tool, so you don't have to worry at all. Make sure you open the official Microsoft page. On that page, you'll see a download button for RAM Map. Click on it, and tool will start downloading. It's a very small file, so it should download quickly. Once downloaded, go to your Downloads folder. The file will come as a zip archive. Right-click on it and extract it. After extracting, open the extracted folder. Now, open first file. If you see a user account control prompt, click Yes. Accept the license agreement, and the program will open. You'll now see a detailed breakdown of how your RAM is being used. To clearly see the effect, keep Task Manager open next to RAM Map. You can see I have 1.4 gigabytes of cached RAM. In the RAM Map window, click on the Empty option at the top menu. From the drop-down list, choose Empty Standby List. Now, look back at Task Manager. You should see the cached memory drop significantly, and your available memory increase. In some cases, several gigabytes of RAM are freed up in just a second. This doesn't harm your system. It simply clears a standby memory that Windows was holding in reserve. Your computer should feel smoother, especially before running heavy applications or games. You don't need to use this tool constantly. Just check Task Manager when your PC feels slow. If cached memory is high and available RAM is low, then run RAM Map and clear the standby list. It's quick, safe, and effective. If this video helped you speed up your PC, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.